More than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored. We have better maps of Mars than we do of our own seafloor. And in those dark, crushing depths, creatures exist that seem like they were designed by nightmares. Some are armed with venom that can dissolve flesh. Others have teeth so large they cannot close their own mouths. And a few are so dangerous that scientists have only ever studied them from the safety of a submersible. Number 10. The Fangtooth Fish. Starting our list at number 10 is the Fangtooth Fish. Despite being only 6 inches long, the fangtooth has the largest teeth of any fish in the ocean relative to its body size. Its teeth are so long that it has evolved special sockets on either side of its brain to accommodate them when its mouth closes. The fangtooth lives at depths of up to 16,000 feet, where the pressure is over 400 times what we experience on the surface. In complete darkness, it relies on a highly developed lateral line system to detect even the slightest vibrations in the water around it. Anything that moves within range becomes prey. Number 9. The Goblin Shark. At number 9, the Goblin Shark. This creature looks like it swam straight out of a prehistoric era, and in many ways it did. The Goblin Shark is the last surviving member of a 125-million-year-old family of sharks. Its most terrifying feature is its jaw. When it detects prey, its jaw physically launches forward out of its face like a spring-loaded trap, snatching fish and squid before they can react. This jaw mechanism is the fastest of any shark species ever recorded. The Goblin Shark lives at depths between 900 and 4,300 feet and is so rarely seen that fewer than 50 specimens have ever been studied. Number 8. The Giant Squid. Number 8 is the Giant Squid. For centuries, sailors told stories of a massive sea monster that could drag entire ships beneath the waves. Those stories were not entirely fiction. The giant squid can grow up to 43 feet long, with tentacles lined with hundreds of razor-sharp suckers, each one ringed with tiny serrated teeth. Its eyes are the largest in the animal kingdom, nearly the size of dinner plates, evolved to detect the faintest traces of light in the deep ocean darkness. The giant squid was not filmed alive in its natural habitat until 2012. Making it one of the last true mysteries of the ocean. Number 7. The Blue-Ringed Octopus. Number 7 is the Blue-Ringed Octopus. This creature is barely the size of a golf ball, but it carries enough venom to end the lives of 26 adult humans within minutes. And there is no anti-venom. The blue-ringed octopus produces tetrodotoxin, the same toxin found in pufferfish, but delivers it through a bite so small that most victims do not even feel it. The venom causes rapid paralysis, shutting down the nervous system while the victim remains fully conscious. Its brilliant blue rings only appear when the animal is agitated. By the time you see the warning, it is already too late to back away. Number 6. The Dragonfish. At number 6, the Dragonfish. This deep-sea predator has developed one of the most unfair advantages in the animal kingdom. Most deep-sea creatures can see blue bioluminescent light. The dragonfish can produce and see red light, a wavelength that is invisible to almost every other animal at these depths. It essentially has night vision goggles that no one else can detect. The dragonfish uses this ability to illuminate its prey without being seen, like a sniper using an infrared scope. Its teeth are transparent, made of nanocrystalline structures that do not reflect light, making them invisible even when its mouth is open. Number 5. The Colossal Squid. If you thought the giant squid was terrifying, number 5 is the Colossal Squid. While the giant squid is longer, the Colossal Squid is far heavier and more muscular, weighing up to 100 pounds. But what makes it truly nightmarish are its tentacle hooks. Unlike the giant squid's suckers, the colossal squid's tentacles are armed with sharp, swiveling hooks that can rotate 360 degrees to grip prey. Once those hooks dig in, nothing escapes. The colossal squid lives in the deep waters around Antarctica and is the primary prey of sperm whales. The scars found on sperm whale skin tell the story of battles between two of the ocean's most powerful creatures. Number 4. The anglerfish. Number 4 is the anglerfish, perhaps the most iconic deep-sea predator. The female anglerfish uses a bioluminescent lure, a modified dorsal fin that glows in the darkness, to attract prey directly to its enormous mouth. In the pitch-black environment of the deep sea, that tiny light is irresistible to smaller fish. They swim toward it, and by the time they realize the light is attached to a predator, they are already inside a mouth lined with long, inward-pointing teeth designed to prevent escape. But the anglerfish's strangest feature is its reproduction. The male anglerfish is tiny, sometimes less than an inch long. When it finds a female, it bites into her skin and physically fuses with her body, sharing her bloodstream for the rest of its life. Number 3. The box jellyfish. At number 3, the box jellyfish. This is widely considered the most venomous marine animal on Earth. A single box jellyfish carries enough venom to cause fatal reactions in over 60 humans. Its tentacles can extend up to 10 feet and are covered in millions of microscopic venom-injecting cells called nematocysts. Upon contact, these cells fire like tiny harpoons, injecting venom that attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin simultaneously. Victims have described the pain as the most intense sensation a human can experience. Unlike most jellyfish, the box jellyfish has 24 eyes arranged in clusters of 6, giving it true image-forming vision. It does not drift aimlessly. It actively hunts. Number 2, the stonefish. Number 2 is the stonefish, the most venomous fish on the planet. The stonefish looks exactly like a rock on the ocean floor. Its camouflage is so perfect that even experienced divers have stepped on them without realizing it until the pain hit. Along its dorsal fin are 13 needle-sharp spines, each connected to a venom gland. When pressure is applied, the spines penetrate the skin and inject a venom so painful that victims have begged for their affected limbs to be amputated. The venom can cause tissue death, heart failure, and in untreated cases can be fatal within hours. The stonefish is found in shallow coastal waters of the Indo-Pacific, often exactly where swimmers and divers walk. Number 1. The Irukandji jellyfish. And at number 1, the most dangerous creature hiding in the sea is one you cannot even see. The Irukandji jellyfish is barely the size of a fingernail. Its body is roughly 1 cubic centimeter, smaller than a sugar cube. And yet, this nearly invisible creature is responsible for a syndrome so severe that it was named after it. Irukandji syndrome causes excruciating pain, rapid heart rate, dangerously high blood pressure, and an overwhelming sense of impending doom so intense that patients have begged doctors to end their suffering. The venom is 100 times more potent than a cobra's. The tentacles are so thin they can pass through standard beach safety nets. And because the sting is initially painless, victims often do not seek help until the syndrome is already progressing. Scientists believe warming ocean temperatures are expanding the Irukandji's range, bringing it into waters where it has never been found before. The most dangerous creature in the sea is one you will never see coming. The deep sea is the last true frontier on our planet. We have explored less than 20% of it. Every expedition brings back creatures that rewrite what we thought was possible. And somewhere in that darkness, there are species we have not discovered yet. Species that could be even more dangerous than anything on this list. If this video fascinated you, subscribe to Zoomania for more of the most extreme, rare, and unbelievable animals on Earth. And if you want to see more creatures with abilities that seem impossible, check out the video on screen right now.